Hi, today I have made a video on different topic. The topic is how to fix a hole in a wall, and after fixing the hole it is difficult to find if there was a hole. This is super easy to fix a hole in a wall. There are many ways to fix a hole in a wall, but I will show you the easiest methods and what do we need for that. We need a wall patch, smooth coat, spatula, a sandpaper, a dust mask, safety glasses, a dry cloth and a drop sheet or any alternative like newspaper or cardboard, etc. I am fixing this hole in a garage, but if you are doing it where there is carpet on the floor, you should use drop sheet to keep the carpet clean. First of all, you need to buy a pack of Spakfilla Wall Repair Kit. You can get it from Bunnings or Home Depot or Costco. This pack includes a sandpaper, a wall patch, a smooth coat, and a spatula. First of all, we should give a good clean around 2 inches radius of the hole. Remove any extra plaster in or around the hole. Now give a light sand around the hole with the sandpaper. Now cut the plaster pack to the size that can overlap the hole at least 3 cm around the hole. Simply peel off the back and position self-adhesive patch over hole and stick it onto the wall. Make sure the patch overlaps at least 3 cm around hole. Press down edges firmly. Just smear it down the edges. Even grab your spatula to make sure it's really smooth. Now, I am going to fill it with smooth coat. Start from the inside and work your way out. Keep doing it smooth and even. If need, you can put extra coat of smooth coat. Keep doing even with spatula. In normal temperature, it will dry in about half an hour. When it is dried, soft rub with sandpaper. After this, if you think there is another coat of smooth coat required, you can go for second coat. Now the hole is completely gone and hardly visible. Now you can paint over it. This is amazing. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching this video.